Welcome to our channel bacareers. In this video let us discuss about Business Intelligence Analyst job description. Introduction to Business Intelligence Analyst by Analyst. Definition and purpose of a buy analyst. Importance of buy-in decision-making. Key responsibilities of a buy analyst. Data collection and analysis. Reporting and visualization. Identifying business trends and insights. Skills required for a buy analyst. Technical skills, SQL, data warehousing, buy tools. Analytical skills. Communication and presentation skills. Education and certification requirements. Degree in relevant fields like IT, business, or statistics. Common certifications for buy analysts. Career growth opportunities. Pathways for advancement in the buy field. Conclusion. Summary of why buy analysts are vital to business success. A business intelligence analyst, or buy analyst, plays a crucial role in transforming raw data into actionable business insights. By using various data analytics tools, buy analysts support companies in making data-driven decisions that improve efficiency and competitiveness. Buy analysts are responsible for gathering data from multiple sources, analyzing it to uncover trends, and presenting findings through reports and data visualizations. This analysis helps stakeholders understand business performance and make informed decisions. Key skills for a buy analyst include a strong foundation in SQL, experience with data warehousing, and proficiency in buy tools like Tableau or Power BI. Beyond technical expertise, a buy analyst must possess excellent analytical thinking and be able to communicate complex data insights to non-technical stakeholders. To become a buy analyst, a degree in fields like information technology, business administration, or statistics is often required. Certifications such as Microsoft Certified, Data Analyst Associate or Google Data Analytics Certificate further enhance your qualifications and job prospects. Buy analysts have multiple career growth opportunities, including transitioning to senior analyst roles, buy manager, or even chief data officer. As companies increasingly rely on data, the demand for buy professionals continues to grow. In conclusion, business intelligence analysts are pivotal to helping companies leverage data for strategic decision-making. Their blend of technical, analytical, and communication skills makes them indispensable in today's data-driven business landscape. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.